So next step is number 12. We're going to install the tubing. You received 5 pieces. 3 pieces that are exactly the same length, put them aside. Take the 2 next longer tubing, and we're going to connect this tubing here and this tubing right here. Okay, I just installed this tubing, so you can adjust this to go up or down, and this tubing will be done perfectly fine. You use these hose clamps to attach everything, but this is the good result right here. This tubing, we just discovered that it is a bit too long to my liking, so you can see that it was just trimmed just a hair too long. So I'm going to actually cut, you can use scissors. I'm going to cut a little bit off. Okay, I'm going to cut a little bit off, not too much. Okay, perfect. This is now awesome. Okay, this installation is also a bit long. Again, scissors works wonders. You don't necessarily need to cut it for this. The goal is for the tubing to be all the way down, and then now you'll put the insulation on. If you want, you can cut the insulation and then you can wrap it around it if that's easier. But you'll want to bend the tube underneath like this and then squeeze it up. Okay, make sure that this is nice and straight. And then you'll take your hose clamp, open it fully, strap it around it. Make sure not to grab insulation, just the tubing. Okay, make sure it's a nice and tight connection to avoid any leaks and drips. Okay, and then you'll want to just tighten your hose clamp at the bottom. And everything is very close to being completed. Okay, complete. All right, now everything is solid. Everything's ready.